First introduced to the range in 2020, the Matrix panel is your slimline lighting solution from Bounce LED. Experience clean and even illumination to a remarkable 30mm minimum depth. Panels are mounted using the included peel and stick backing like strip lighting and wired using solderless clip-in connectors. Panels have the flexibility to be cut to size using the marked 60mm grid. Here, we're using one full panel connected to a second panel which is trimmed to length. Due to the popularity of the Matrix panel, we've recently welcomed to the family the Matrix Plus 24-volt range. This brings a selection of additional white colour temperatures as well as a Spectrum RGB WW option. The Matrix panel allows sign makers to work fast and cover large areas in significantly less time than what would have previously been possible. For those projects with a tight deadline, the ability to reduce your time spent wiring and installing LEDs is a lifesaver. Experience the speed and versatility of the Matrix panel family from Bounce LED.